So hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we are going to learn how can we send data from CSV file to our SQL server. Before starting, I assume that you already have installed Python on your system as well as SQL Workbench on your system, and we are going to use this library named CSV Kit. It is a very powerful library which reduces your time, of writing SQL queries, long SQL queries. Let's see how can we do it. And here is my dataset. I have to upload this dataset to the SQL server, and let me show you how does it looks like. Here is the table of the same dataset. You can see. Let me show you the number of rows in this dataset for just a verification, a simple verification. And let me run this command. So here are 457 rows in this table. Let's match this number of rows from our CSV file also. And okay, so our CSV file contains 458 rows. The first row in our CSV file is the headers of each column, and after that all the rows are the entries for their respective columns. Let's see how can we automate the task. And first of all, open your command prompt. I'm using Anaconda PowerShell prompt. You can use any of the terminal. Now navigate to your folder in which your CSV file is. Okay, so before navigating, I recommend you to install your library, CSV Kit library, here only. So using command pip install CSV Kit. In my machine it is already installed. In your machine it will be installing. So let me clear my terminal. Now let us navigate to the folder where my CSV file is. So it is in my D drive. I am going to switch to my D drive, and I am going to my folder. And let me check the folder name also. The folder name is Fitbit dataset. Okay, there must be a mistake. The command is cd. My bad. Let us see the file name. So the file name is fitbit space data.csv. Now I have navigated to my folder. I assume that you have also navigated. I would like to tell you that you now have to create a database. So for creating database, you can execute the command create database and database name. Let's say my DB, and execute this command here. A new database has been created. Let's refresh and check. Okay, so a new database named MyDB has been created, but it has no tables inside it. Okay, so we are going to add the tables from a CSV file, and before starting I recommend that you to create a user here. So for creating user, go to your server, users and privileges. Now add account. Go to your add account, give it a name. In the limit to host matching, give it localhost, and go to schema privileges, add entry, selected schema, add your schema, MyDB. Okay, so press OK and it will be done. So in my case, I already have a user named Sarthak. So I'm going to Sarthak and add a entry to this database, MyDB, and I'm going to click OK, apply. So a new database has been added to my schema, to my list of schemas. Now let's go back to the terminal and write this query CSV SQL. I would like to also mention that I have taken these queries from the documentation of this library. You can go and check out this library for a number of variety of tasks as well. Let's go back. So CSV SQL space hyphen snf limit space 0 space dash dash db name is MySQL, and let's give the path, and here we have to write the database name. So database name is MyDB, so I'm going to write MyDB over here. Now hyphen hyphen insert the table, the file name fitbit data.csv. Let's hit enter. Okay, so the command has successfully executed. Let's see in our database whether a new table has been created. Let's refresh. Okay, so I think a new table is created. A new table is created, fitbit data. Let's check the rows. Okay, so there is a space in the name. We are going to use these quotations, and okay, so we can see all the rows are added in the database. Also, I can pass the table name over here. Just go back to your terminal and add a new parameter over here, hyphen hyphen tables space my table, and hit enter. Okay, so the command is successfully executed. Let's go back and check a new table has been created or not. Refresh all. Okay, so my table has been created. Let's check dot my table. So let's run. Okay, so the data has been added to this table also. Thank you for watching the video. We have seen how to send data from CSV file to SQL server. It is a very much easier task and it is fully automated. We just have to pass a simple query and your task is done. Thank you. If this video helped you, please like the video and share it with your Pythonians, and bye bye.